Hello, what is up guys, TechKJ here. Today I will teach you how to bypass the forgotten password or forgotten pattern lock. Now sometimes many people forgot their passwords and pattern locks and they stuck up into the lock screen. To bypass that lock screen, I will teach you how to bypass that lock screen. But this method will erase your data. Now first of all, to continue to this method, you first have to switch off your device, then click on power button and volume down button for 6 seconds. Then you will see a menu over here. You can cycle through options by volume up and volume down button. Now you have to choose recovery mode. Now I have chosen the recovery mode, and to execute the recovery mode you just have to click on power button, then it will boot into recovery mode. Now when you see this Android logo, here comes the tricky part. You have to hold the power button for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds you have to quickly tap on volume up button. Then you will boot into the recovery mode. Then you will see few options over here. You can cycle through these options by volume up and volume down button. Now if you want to bypass that lock, you have to choose wipe data factory reset by pressing the volume down button. To execute this you just have to tap on power button. Then you will see 3 options: no and user data only and user data plus personalized content. You have to move through options and select user data plus personalized content. Then to execute you just have to click on power button. Then it will take nearly 5 minutes to reset your device and erase all your data. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and do share my video, and please subscribe. Thank you.